another great day mga ka-journey, and today I'm going to teach you on how to cook an oven grilled salmon. This is a part of our journey towards the healthier you. This is our lifestyle challenge. So cooking salmon is a great way, an effective way to lower your blood cholesterol level. Why? Because this is rich in omega acids, fatty acids. So these are good oil. It's also rich in protein. So why not taking salmon in not even regular, for even sometimes. So what are the basic ingredients in cooking oven grilled? These are the basic ingredients in cooking oven grilled salmon. Of course, salmon, half kilograms or 1 kilogram. Rosemary, half an onion, salt and pepper, tomatoes, half a lemon, and of course 3 spoons of olive oil. So here is the procedure in cooking the salmon, in preparing the salmon. Okay, just put a bit of an olive oil, then put on the salmon, the 3 spoons full of olive oil. Make it generous. Anyway, olive oil is a healthy oil. Put on the rosemary. Add in the rosemary. Salt and pepper. Add the salt and pepper. Put onion at side and the tomatoes. And on top, the thinly sliced lemon. So this is the preparation for our oven grilled salmon. Okay, next is to put your salmon into the oven. Set it for 200 degrees in 30 minutes. Okay, here it is. So guys, here it is, our delicious oven grilled salmon. Okay guys, now that you have learned cooking an oven grilled salmon, I would like to congratulate you again for taking another step to a healthier you. So it's Kuya Chito saying shalom and see you next time. Bye bye.